Giikaro giki kia Mbunge na seneta aria marathurirwo kamiti-ini ya andu 18 kiuma gia gwetha kihonia kigie ndugamano iria ithiite na mbere na kwihanda igie muigana wa mbeca iria cibatii ni kugairwo kaunti. Kuona seneta ikoretwo ikiuga kaunti ciheyo ciringi bilioni 335 nayo Mbunge ikinyitirira ciringi bilioni 316 na mugaru na matanya guikaniria miario nikuo kwiyumiririe na njira nene.
Where do we get 6.5 billion deficit?
In fact, when you ask where the money we want counties to get is coming from, we can ask where do you think the money national government is asking for is coming from?
Kiuria gia kuria makiria ma ciringi bilioni 19 iria seneta iretia ciongererwo kaunti cikuma kiamburura urugari munene gatagati ka amemba kamiti ino.
We are reducing the amount of borrowing because we are way over.
What proposals do you have for us in terms of how we raise that extra so that we can factor? Is it possible to factor that in our finance bill?
And I'm sure we can demonstrate from various other places that you can pick up some money here and there and add counties.
No speaker a Mbunge ciere aria makwaragia igongona-ini mwanya ni monanitie mwihoko munene wa gukorwo ni gukugia na njira igie ndugamano ino ona gutuika kanjo ya magavana irathi na mbere na gukaya ni utungata gutharara kaunti-ini.
And 15%, which is the constitutional requirement, is 155 billion. But because of the goodwill of Parliament and goodwill of the government, we are already at 378 billion.
We could succeed very, very fast with the current mediation.
Kamiti ino iri na ihinda ria thiku 14 gwetha kihonia ta uria igoti rikaru riathanire kiumia kihituku na ihinda riu ringithira gutari na wuiguano ni kuga ati uhoro uyu ugutigwo moko-ini ma igoti riri no kwa ihinda riri kiuria ni no ugwitikira kuguagua mbere yogi. Kuringa ihiga kwa Igeria ria mbere ria gwetha kihonia kigie ndugamano iria ithiite na mbere igie ugai wa kigina kuri kaunti ni kuga ati kaunti ciguthie na mbere na gweterera mbeca icio naguo utungata kuri muingi uguthio na mbere na guikara na kigagayo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma ciikaro-ini cia Mbunge ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngunjiri.